All right, everyone. This question says that the sum of two numbers is 3, and twice the larger number is 36 more than 3 times the smaller number. I know what it's like. I get this. A lot of times we read a question like this, and this is how it sounds. It goes, the sum of two numbers is 3, and twice the blah, 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 blah. Okay, I get that. The trick is with questions like this is just to take it slow and realize that phrases in these problems tend to be equal to equations, okay? So for example, the sum of two numbers is 3. Okay, let's deal with that. But first of all, we have to introduce some variables here. So let's let x equal, and I saw some references to smaller and larger numbers here. Let's let x equal the smaller number. We'll let y equal the larger number. Okay? Now, the sum of two numbers, x, y, is, okay, equals 3. Okay? Now, just go through the second phrase here, just bit by bit. Twice the larger number. Okay, twice the larger number. That's 2y. Twice the larger number is. Okay, well that is means equals 36 more. Okay, 36 more means we're adding then 3 times the smaller number. Okay, there it is. So there's the equation that we're looking for. Okay? Now, in a case like this, I've now got to choose a method here to solve. And again, I could do elimination or substitution, but man, look at this second equation. It is already basically set up for a substitution. All I got to do is divide by 2. Now I know dividing by 2 is going to give me a fraction here. Yeah, but so what? I'll get rid of that fraction in a second here. After I've done the substitution, I'll just get rid of it. So I'm going to plug this in to the first equation. So this will become x. So I'm going to take equation 2 and plug it into equation 1, and that'll get me something that looks like this. X plus 18 plus 3 halves x is equal to 3. Okay, now I'm going to multiply everything through here by 2 just to get rid of that fraction, because I know nobody wants to see that fraction there. So I'm going to multiply everything by 2. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 18 is 36. 2 times 3 halves is just 3x. And 2 times 3 is 6. So adding together like terms, I get 5x here. But if I bring the 36 over, I will get negative 30 on the right-hand side. And so x is equal to negative 6. Okay? Now, to figure out what y is, fortunately, I have a little equation for y. I know that y is equal to 18 plus 3 halves x. So if x is negative 6, let's just think about this. 3 halves of negative 6. Okay, divide 6 by 2 is negative 3, times by 3 is negative 9. 18 minus 9, okay, y is going to equal, let's see, almost changed the sign there. It should be positive 9. Okay, and I get that from this equation over there. So now, my solution is the point, negative 6, comma 9. Now, I didn't really need to write it in the form of an ordered pair, but I mean, it was asking for two numbers, and I used x and y, and just kind of a natural thing to do there. Okay, but as soon as I've identified the numbers, that's really all I need to do in a question like this. I might state it like this. I might state that the smaller is negative 6, and the larger is 9. That might be a better way to answer that.